I want to share a Ninth Circuit win where an employee had standing an H-1B suit. Jonathan Wasden, a famous litigator in the immigration space, former government attorney who does a lot of work in the H-1B field, was able to sue from the perspective of the employee because a lot of times H-1B is a petitioner's case, so they don't allow that standing for that, but they found it here. So that was interesting to see there. We have big lawsuit coming from Greg Siskin et al., the group of lawyers, three or four of them, I think Cuck Baxter, and obviously Siskin Susser, and what is it? The Colorado firm, which I can't remember their name. My apologies, but they've comboed each other. If you look at the first issue of the Immigration Lawyers Toolbox magazine, they're on the cover, the heads of those firms. One of them doesn't work for the firm anymore, but he's worked for BAL. They're doing lawsuits for the helping people from the now 39 countries who have seen their USCIS applications and their DOS visa applications paused as the White House followed up to entry bans from these countries. What a disaster. I've been going through my cases, and I thought this lawsuit was, I'm glad I read it, and I thought it was just for CIS cases, but the DOS cases are included in it. I emailed all my USCIS cases, but now I got to contact the US visa cases for this MA impact. And I'm like, what do I tell people? Should I do it or should I not do a lawsuit? And I'm not in a position to say yes or no. I'm not doing the case myself. I respect the people who are doing it for sure. They're going to do a good job. They've done it before. What are the risks? Lose money. Secondly, again, this is not individual legal guidance, but secondly, it's a worry that as the government could have to make an example of you, that kind of thing. It hasn't happened in the past. And these people are hungry lawsuit kind of people. They're like down to fight. So it's not a bad team to have behind you, especially they designed it with multiple firms so they could take on the load. But what are you going to do? If you're banned, you're not going to see your wife or husband for 5 years, your kids for 10 years or something like that. You got to do what you got to do. So that's a real personal decision. It's a hard one, but that impact litigation is there. How are you going to find the link? Just, I guess, type in, go to Greg Six's website. I'm sure there'll be a link on there. And then finally, the Department of Labor is seeking federal review of a proposed rule that would revise wage rules in the H-1B non-immigrant and perm labor certification process. So those big changes come there in that game.